G'day guys, how are you? Thought I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and maybe some of the channels I've been supporting, or that have been supporting me really. I'd like to put a shout out to all the guys out there over the last year that I've been doing this. I'm up to about 87, nearly 90 subscribers now, which is awesome. Which I didn't think I'd get any more than maybe 20, but it's pretty cool. I'd like to shout out to a few people. I've got a list of channels that I have been involved with, or not involved with, sorry, been a few people that I have that have influenced me a lot more than most. I'd like to give them a bit of a shout out. I know it might not be influential from me to give a shout out to some of these bigger channels, but it's always great to have that feedback. So the first one I would like to shout out to is Laser Wolf in New Zealand. Got quite a good little video channel. If you guys are interested in this and you want to get some more in-depth quality video, he's great to watch. Just have a look at it. Also Brew. Brew is also in New Zealand. As you can probably guess, New Zealanders do a lot of brewing over there. They've got a bit of a, I don't know, what would you call it? They're a bit more of it's a bit of a fashion over there at the moment. So it's great to watch that, and to see that they all interact with each other and send each other brews, and it's really quite good. Brew is a home brewer as well. He brews in his garage by the look of what I can see in the videos. Has his own way. He has a, what do you call it, a home style way of doing it, probably an old fashioned way. Seems to enjoy it and does it when he can, I suppose, and every now and again you'll see a great video come from him. Cheers, Finn. We also have another New Zealander, which is, who is that? Tube Dinos. Tube Dinos is another New Zealander, another great video maker. Love watching his stuff. He's got some great information, shows you what you need to do to make your beer taste better. And I'm slowly learning to put different things in, different chemicals, and make the pH balance right, which is what I'm going to try and do today. Also Oliver Harold, which is over in Germany. He's been interacting with me on my Tube channel a few times, and he's been great and informative, very supportive. He has a great channel, so have a look at that. Like I said, I'm going to put all the links down below of all these channels I really love to watch. Short Circuited Brewers, they're awesome. I first watched them when I first started brewing and didn't really get into them because it felt like they were talking too much about electricity and electrical things, but then as I got to watch it, they relate to everything that they do now, and it's bloody awesome. It's a really good show to watch. They're electric brewers, so everything they use is electric, and it's quite interesting to watch. So take a look at those guys. Craig Tube, of course, was the first video channel I watched. It's very popular. It's got 60-odd thousand subscribers. It's quite a big one. Very educational. He started me to think about doing extract brewing. Now I do extract brewing a lot, which makes it simple and easy. And I tasted one of my grain brews, and I thought, oh, that tastes so good. And so I'm doing both now. And because of him, I had a chance to learn this stuff straight from him, nobody else. Dr. Hans Brewery, I just saw a video last week. Great video. I might even put a link to that video because I really enjoyed watching that. Have a look at that. He's, I don't know if he's Norwegian or something like that. I'm not sure where he's from. Very educational, very smart. Yeah, good to hear, good to see. Beer and Barbecue by Larry is another one of those brew videos that I love to watch because he has a lot of sensibility, I suppose. He understands most about brewing, and he has some great tips on his videos. Who else? Gash Slug Brewing. What a name, eh? Gash Slug Brewing. You can imagine what he means by that. I'm sure he's a guy, I think he's a Victorian. He's down in Melbourne way, I'm sure. It seems that way, he hasn't really said. Another great video channel. Have a look at it, it's really good to watch. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And that's it. Really enjoyed doing this year, learning more and more about brewing. I'm going to do more next year. I'm going to improve my quality of brewing and hopefully improve my videos. I'll try hard to get the a style going. I'm not really brilliant at this, as you can tell if you've seen some of my videos, but I'm getting there. I'm going to do more grain brewing, because as you know, I've now got a grain father, so I'll do a lot of that. I'll still do extract brewing and add stuff to it to make it nice. And yeah, I hope to see a lot more of your videos out there too, so I can keep watching. So stick around. All I can say is thank you very much to those brew channels who put their videos up every day or every week. You are teaching people out there like me how to brew and how to brew properly. And this is an old style or old skill that's coming back, and it's great to see. So yeah, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, have an absolutely brilliant next year. Cheers.